Hi beloveds, and welcome to another episode of Everyday Brujería. Today I'm so excited to share with you one of my favorite tools and tricks of the trade, magic wands. Now I know many of you are thinking something Harry Potter, but in truth we do have magic wands, including our finger. So one of the few of the magic wands that I love to use, first of all, is a true magic wand. I was able to pick this beauty up at my local Brujería. You see it's got amethyst at both ends. It's also got an angel here at the top, some crystals inside, and a dollar. So it's got a lot of magic in there from the Brujas that created it, as well as the energy that I put into it. And then next, I was fortunate enough at one time to live in a place that had an avocado tree. Avocados are well known to have magical and very healing elements. In fact, in Egypt, they would like to create, different treasure boxes out of avocado because of their magical powers. And then we have beautiful crystal wands. I've had this beauty since yoga school back in 2007, and it has definitely brought me some clarity and amplified my energy with the magic energy there, the crystal top. And some more natural elements are feathers. This is a rooster feather. Here in Mexico, we have the roosters running around, and I had asked someone as a part of a magic spell to bring me some feathers, and he brought me quite a few from a fresh rooster. And so using this element is really also about that element of the rooster that is very powerful, as well as the animal energy and that element of air with all feathers. And so magic wands not just amplify the energy. Oh, and don't forget your pointer finger. Again, if our words are our wands, then our hands and our wands are really extensions of our energy that comes from our hands. So again, this is also, if you are shaking hands with someone and absorbing energy, make sure that you wash your hands if you are absorbing a lot of different energies throughout the day. Another thing that I love to do is rub a little bit of cinnamon in my hands before I do anything. So there's so many ways to amplify your energy using magic wands and using these magic wands. So use your magic Brujas, and until next time, peace and blessings.